Think of acidity and alkalinity like a tug of war. Add an acid to an alkali and they cancel each other out, landing in the calm middle, neutral. That reaction is called neutralization, and it makes new substances. Here's the quick demo I love. I start with a beaker that's super alkaline, pH around 13, with universal indicator it's deep purple. I drip in acid slowly. Each drop I swirl. Color slides, purple, blue, green as pH drops. Hit pH 7, boom, green. That's neutral. One more drop nudges yellowish, about pH 6. Now it's weakly acidic. Why the slow drip? One extra drop can tip you past neutral. That's why chemists use a burette, basically a super precise dropper, to add acid to an alkali in tiny controlled amounts. You measure the volume, say 25/3 to reach neutral, so you know exactly how much it took. On the molecular level, if I use hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, the reactants swap partners. The products, good old table salt, sodium chloride, and water. New substances, chemical change. Neutralization shows up everywhere. Too much stomach acid? That burning feeling is indigestion. Antacid tablets are mild alkalis that neutralize the extra acid. Tooth decay?
What does red cabbage indicator turn in acids? What color does litmus turn in water? Which indicator shows pH level? What color does litmus turn in alkalis? Which plant is not used as an indicator? What does litmus turn in acids? What is the pH scale used for? What color does universal indicator turn in strong acids? What is a neutral substance? What color does red cabbage indicator turn in water? What does universal indicator show? What color does litmus turn in neutral substances? Which is a common indicator? What color does red cabbage indicator turn in alkalis? What is litmus made from? What does universal indicator measure? What color does universal indicator turn in strong alkalis? What is the purpose of an indicator? What does litmus paper show? What color does universal indicator turn in neutral substances?